Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, hindi akong gagawa ng video na to. Pero ang aking kapatid ang gagawa ng video na ito. Ang gagawin niyang video is magre-review siya ng Wolverine Lego. So tatawagin ko na siya. Here he is, Gab Morales! Hi guys! So, guys, iwan ko na sa kanya ang camera and sana makinig kayo sa kanya. We'll be right back. Go. What's up guys? Welcome back to my Ates YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do my Lego Wolverine review. So, here's the tools. First thing is the head and the hair, and actually is two it's covered now. That. Second is the body. The body. Okay. So third is the head, body, and fourth have insert the hand, the arm, and fourth you have to put his claws over here the first part. Then this two of this is going to the four. These two dots. Okay, and then here you go. So here you go. Then he can like just put this one on here. This one, as you can see here, put this slide out to insert. There you go. See? Here comes Wolverine. Hey, I am Wolverine. Oh, hi guys. My name is Logan. Yeah, I'm Wolverine. My family is Wolverine. And I'm skating. Okay, so up. Ah! Okay, so bye guys. I love you. So guys, that's the Lego Wolverine review of my brother. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye guys, love you. Bye guys, love you too.